Hi, this is Bobby with the Vespasian Warner Public Library, and I'm here with another tale from the archive, where we talk about items and documents from our special history and archives collections. Today we are talking about community cookbooks. I don't know if this is much of a thing anymore, but it used to be community groups such as churches or women's organizations would make cookbooks as a fundraiser. The cookbooks we fill with recipes from members, and they are a wonderful little bit of our local culture and history that have been preserved. So we have some in our special collections. These are items that we don't allow to leave the building, but I thought were really interesting. This is from the Clinton United Methodist Church Women's Group, and it was for a celebration in 1989. And what I really enjoy about this cookbook is in between the different sections, they have histories of the Methodist churches here in DeWitt County. So this was the first Clinton Methodist Church from 1848, and they have a little sketch on one side and a little history on the back. But also flipping through, they have the Shiloh United Methodist Church. They also have Wapella and a few others from the county. And I just love that little bit of history that they have here. I thought this one was interesting. This is from the Dr. John Warner Hospital Auxiliary. I don't have a date on it. But what I thought was interesting about it, it was printed at the Dr. John Warner Hospital print shop, which I didn't know they actually had. And it has a warning about how this is a good sturdy book, but like most plastics, the binders can be damaged by excessive heat, so avoid exposing them to the direct rays of the sun, and so forth. I thought that was just kind of fun. And as I said, we've got a lot from local churches. This is from Lane Christian Church, and it is potlucks, past and present, which I know in my church the saying was, if we're meetin', we're eatin', and I think that's true for a lot of churches. These are some of the oldest cookbooks in our collection. Again, I don't have dates on all of these, but this was from the DeWitt County Home Bureau, and it has advertisements for the local businesses that help support them, and this was back when they had phones, but the phone number here is 45. And this one had a little note from whoever owned it before that apparently the My Favorite Caramel Cake icing was good. So that's good to know. And here's another one, again, that I don't have a date for. That was also a gift from the county. And you can tell it was well used because we got some grease splatters and so forth on it. But again, it has these wonderful advertisements for local businesses. So again, a great little bit of DeWitt County history. Now these are kept in our special collections, but people are welcome to come in and look at them and even make photocopies of certain recipes if they want them. But these are some of the ones that we have available actually for checkout. So this one is from, of course, La Ti Da, the tea house we have here in town. But we also have some from the Clinton YMCA. I like they even made their own little illustration for the front. We have the Clinton Chamber made a community cookbook. And this one is Heirlooms of DeWitt County, and it is from the Clinton 175th anniversary celebration. So a wonderful piece of history and of important local culture that you might not think of. So please stop by and take a look at them, and I hope to see you soon.